Here's how to change your app icons back to normal on your Android phone. Now, if you have your Android phone and the app icons are a bit different from what you're used to, and you wanted to go back to the default, I'll show you some options. The first thing that I would recommend checking is the theme. So let's press and hold towards the top of your iPhone, somewhere that there isn't an app. And after I press and hold, you can see themes here, and tap on that. Now, the first thing that I would recommend doing is checking to see if you have an app icon theme. Now, you'll be able to access it by tapping on Menu at the bottom right, and then we're going to choose My Stuff at the very top left. And from here, let's swipe over until we get to Icons and tap on that. You can see I'm on the simple black icon, and I wanted to switch back to the default. So just tap on it and hit Apply. Just like that, you'll get the default app icons for your Android phone. However, keep in mind, this might not have fixed it depending on how you have changed your app icons. If it doesn't fix it, we can always swipe up and get into your settings. From the settings, all you need to do is scroll down until you get to Wallpaper and Style. Tap on that. Now from here, you can see color palette. If I have color palette turned on and apply palette to app icons and I hit apply, you'll be able to see it makes those app icons look very different from the default. So let's bring those back to normal. Again, just go back into your settings here, and on your color palette, you can either turn off apply palette to app icons, or you can completely turn off that color palette and hit apply. After you've done all of that, it should be back to normal. But if it's still not back to normal, there's one last option we can do that definitely gets them fixed. We're going to press and hold towards the top of your phone here, again, somewhere that there isn't an app, and tap on Themes here. Now, the default theme is used to basically just bring everything back to as if you just got your Android phone. So let's tap on Menu at the bottom right, and then tap on My Stuff at the top left. You can see themes here. You might have a different theme. I would recommend tapping on the default theme and then hitting apply. It will go through and set your entire phone just back to the default theme. I'll show you what it looks like. It sets the wallpaper and everything else just back to the default, including all those app icons. If this still doesn't work for you, you can always just press and hold that side button and then hit restart, and then restart your phone to be able to get all of those new settings, or basically old settings, back on your phone.